Hello everyone, Hal here. In this video I want to walk you all through the solution to task 6 in the Q-sharp problem set. In this task we're given the problem of implementing an operation called oracle_6, which takes as an argument a Boolean array and a qubit array and returns a unit. The description of this operation is that based off of the Boolean array passed to it, it should swap the phase of the corresponding state in the qubit array. Okay, so to start off we'll begin by declaring our operation. Takes as an argument a Boolean array, which indicates the state to have its phase swapped, and a qubit array. And then finally it returns units. There are 3 steps in order to swap the phase on the target state. The first step is to swap the amplitude between the states 1 and the target state using X gates. After that, we can apply a controlled Z operation in order to swap the phase on the amplitude that is currently stored in the 1 state. Lastly, we apply an inverse of step 1 in order to return the phase swap amplitude to the target state. For step 1, we'll begin by making a variable so that we can iterate through both of our Boolean and qubit arrays. After doing this, we'll need to check whether the state is a 0 or 1. And if it's 0, we need to apply an X gate onto the corresponding qubit. For step 2, you just need to use a controlled Z operation to swap the phase. We can use 2 functions from the array's namespace to simplify the calling on all of the qubits in the array. Lastly, we just need to apply the inverse of step 1. Conveniently, step 1 is its own inverse, so we can just copy that code and use it again. This is a lot of work just to have some target state phase swapped. Luckily for us, Q-sharp provides ways in which we can automate this kind of operation. If we use the controlled on bit string function and pass it the Boolean array we want and the gate we want to be controlled, it will return a custom gate which is conditioned on the Boolean array, and as such will apply those X operations. After that, we need to create an ancilla qubit which can act as a target of this new operation. Then we need to just guarantee it's in the 1 state so the phase will be swapped. Lastly, we can call our custom gate and condition it on all of the qubits in QS acting on Q. And then lastly, we just should reset our ancilla qubit. And with that, we've seen 2 different ways in which we can solve task 6 in the Purdue Quantum Game Club Q-sharp practice set. I hope this was helpful for everyone. If you guys have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you all very much.